This light and easy baked cod with olive oil makes the perfect dish for people who are trying to watch their weight. Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and place the codfish fillets in a shallow baking dish. Drizzle over the lemon juice and set aside. In a small bowl, add the olive oil, garlic, dried thyme, flat leaf parsley, paprika, salt, and ground black pepper. Mix to combine. Then, brush or spoon the oil mixture onto each fillet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the flesh is completely opaque and juicy. Serve with lemon wedges, drizzled with the remaining oil mixture, and garnished with parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.